What is it? Look, ooh, Mama. Look. Did you sing? Here, Mama. You get a microphone too. Huh? Wow. Oh, wow. Legos?
Hi guys, so I just wanted to do a little check-in on Christmas. It's currently 2:18 right now and I'm boiling some vermicelli noodles for my kapong papaya and my husband has the ribs cooking in the oven. Mavis is taking a nap right now and Edith just woke up from her nap. She actually stayed up pretty long this morning. She woke up around like 7 o'clock and she's been up ever since. So we had breakfast and then we took some family photos, the best that we could do. And then I had them open their Christmas gifts. Sadly, Mavis had like a meltdown with the karaoke machine because she just has a thing with like battery power products. Like it's not every single item, but there are like certain stuff that it just kind of like freaks her out. I have no idea what it is, but we're gonna work through those issues with her and try to see what we can do to like help her, because whenever she gets really upset and really scared, it starts to rub onto her sister. This super cute little karaoke machine was one of them that I got for them both to share because Mavis loves to sing. It also comes with like 2 microphones as well, but she like totally melted down when this thing came on. I might have to return it. It just kind of depends on how she feels. Hi guys, it is the day after Christmas and we did work today, so it was a very long and exhausting day. We didn't get home until almost 1 a.m. but it's Friday. I do have to work tomorrow, but I want to try to get the kitchen clean. My youngest is sleeping right now and Mavis is just doing some independent play. She's already watched 2 movies this morning, so I'm trying to limit her screen times. My youngest has like a lot of eczema on her face. I've tried like hydrocortisone cream and I tried some other ointments too, but nothing's really working for her. I never had this issue with Mavis. I did buy the Tubby Tot set from Target. Every time I Google like eczema cream for like babies and toddler, this brand always pops up for 3 products, which is the hair and body wash, everyday lotion, and the ointment for $49, which is a $56 value. If you guys have used this brand before, please let me know what you guys think of it. We're actually in Seattle. My husband came here to buy some car parts and I get a little bit of a shopping trip out of it. So it's just us. Our girls are at home with his cousins. They're watching them for us today, so we can come out here, bust a mission, and then go back home. So Seattle is about like a 4-hour drive for us, which isn't too bad. And we left this morning around 3 a.m. from their house because we had to go back to our house to pick up some stuff, and then left around like 4:30. So we got here around 8:30. Since we don't have the kids with us, we'll be able to just be in and out of stores quickly. If you guys are parents, you guys know the challenges that comes with traveling. I honestly don't mind it. On a trip like this where we're just gonna be here for the day, it was just best to just keep them at home. If you guys have been a long time follower of my channel, you guys know that I'm all about the Asian markets. I just love like good deli food that you can buy from the store without having to stop like at a restaurant. I'm all about convenience. Like if I could get something that's really good just like on the way, then that's what I typically would like to do. I got my regular iced caramel latte from Woods Coffee and it's actually really cute in there. It's definitely on like the sweeter side, so if you like sweet drinks like I do, you probably will like their coffee. Football.
Like Seattle Eats, going to like those restaurants.
It is so cold today. Person that parked literally next to us did such a horrible job at parking. If I was to park like this and I got out of the car and I noticed that my parking was complete shit, I'd be so embarrassed. Extra parking, come on. We're gonna go to Westfield Mall right now. It is 10:50, so they've been open for about an hour. We ate some dim sum and some barbecue pork buns that I always get. It's like one of my go-tos every time I come here. I got a fresh coconut taro. It's so good. I still remember the first time I tried this last time when we came here, and I've been thinking about it ever since.
The mall?
Yeah. It's cute.
Girl, you got me down so bad. I can't say enough. She pull up with that new thing. Please don't fall in love, 'cause I think of you all day. Yeah, I was running through my brain. Can't be nothing, 'cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush on you.
We left the mall and we're headed to Mekong River Oriental Market. And then after that, we're gonna head down to International District, get some cows, and then heading over to Bellevue Mall, which would be our last stop for the day.
Girl, you got me down so bad. I can't say enough. She pull up with that new thing. Please don't fall in love, 'cause I think of you all day. Yeah, I was running through my